What's going on, guys? We're on our way to go do a truck review. If you watched the last video at the end, I said we were going to go do. We're going to one of our old buddies' house, the Wallers. I will put their channel link in the description. They got a YouTube channel going on. And we're going to film a video with him, do a truck review. They got some pretty badass trucks. Got an old Ford, a new Ford, and a nice second gen with custom interior. So, I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, we're here at the Wallers, and their trucks are in the background, and here's AJ.
How's it going?
And then Peanut. Peanut doesn't have any cool stuff like AJ, though.
Nope.
Peanut has a tow truck. Starting with this one. From front bumper to back bumper. What's done to it in the year?
Well, this is a 1978 F350 custom. It has Super Duty axles, 15 and a half inch wheels on 39.5. It runs pretty good. I mean, the inside
runs like an old Ford.
Stock. We have a speaker box built in for like a back seat.
Oh damn, that's actually kind of raw. That's smart.
It's pretty loud. Get it to work.
Damn, that's actually louder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, and it's 210s and some others I didn't even see. That's all it is, though. It's just a little...
Really?
That little radio piece.
Damn.
But, yeah, this one's still
Don't
working in
forget
progress.
Bluetooth front drive shaft.
Oh,
the
yeah,
back.
the Bluetooth.
Oh, there it is. No
Yeah.
problem.
I mean, it's still a work in progress. I want to get new bars and stuff made.
Like your logo on them?
Yeah. We still got to come up with a logo for our YouTube.
Me too.
Got the bed all lined, and it's nice. This is probably a truck I will never get rid of.
I wouldn't either. Old
I
trucks
have
have their
another one,
logo.
though. I have a 76 crew cab. That one will be in later videos of ours, but
Oh, hell
it's
yeah.
still getting worked on. Yeah.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
So now that this truck's done, we're going to go on to the second truck. This would be his main truck that he uses to pull this one to the shows.
Yeah. My 2014 F250 King Ranch. Got American Forces on it. I'm missing a lug nut. Got all powder coated suspension. Yeah. Inside's pretty good. So the iPad dash I'm locked out of. Got a big 15-inch speaker back here.
Yeah.
It sounds pretty good. Play a song.
Freaking huge tip.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. I get some members with me in the fridge. The coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters.
It's a stat that I cut down to be an axle though, because nobody else does it. So why not do something crazy? I got speakers in the bed that are being held up by a rope because the bracket broke. They're pretty loud.
I bet a bitch shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Yeah, color thugs in my infinity lane. And in the fact that
And that's pretty much it for this truck. I mean, tailgate's pretty heavy. I don't know why it's like this, but it is.
I'm from a section where these niggas cut through, they ain't loyal. Get too much, they watch your stairs, try to stalk you. Gotta watch them, we call them vultures, Southside niggas. Down by the river, smoking stanky danky, where the bullshit jumps from bank to bank. I got it.
Moving on, we have the next truck, which is his favorite truck, which also has a really cool story behind it.
This is my 94 12 valve. I had this truck, this was my first truck, and I was diagnosed with cancer. So they redid the whole truck for me, redid the interior, painted it. It used to be stock and rusty, it was white before. And I wanted to do candy apple red with the black. But yeah, this is my favorite truck. I don't drive it a whole lot. I should drive it a lot more than I do. But we got 26 by 16 kg ones with 2 inches of spacer.
Makes
Powder
thick.
coated lift. Powder coated bars. Everything. The bars are color matched. The interior. All red and black alligator skin.
This is definitely like one of the coolest things I've seen in a vehicle.
It has Starlight. This one doesn't have a big speaker like everything else, but it sounds good. It's like a tractor. Got a chrome tip on it. Got my custom bars with our Waller Brothers Cattle Company on it. Inside the seat mounts were all rusted when they redid the truck, so they had to remake them and put our logo in it. I got door props made for it with the cards and everything. As my air freshener. But yeah.